Hello guys, how are you all doing? So you're welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Charles Chinonso and I'm glad you found yourself here. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to host a WhatsApp training. How to host a WhatsApp training. In case you want to sell any product online or you want to sell any course online, I'll be giving you guys the secrets to selling out using a WhatsApp training. Hope you are excited guys and hope you are ready to learn from me. You see, selling these days has become very easy, especially with the existence of WhatsApp. Most times when I see people struggling to make sales, it always marvels me because selling has never been difficult for me. Well, maybe because they are beginners and it's part of the growth process. So, but then if you found this video right now, count yourself lucky because after today, you will not have any challenges making more sales on WhatsApp using the WhatsApp group. Alright, are you ready, guys? So, I'll be outlining the things you need to host a successful WhatsApp training. I'll be outlining every step you need to host a successful WhatsApp training. Alright, let's get to it. So, for you to host a WhatsApp training, obviously it means probably you want to educate people on a particular product, or you want to make sales regarding a product, or you just want to build bond. So, I think these are the three reasons why people host WhatsApp training: either to educate people for free, build bond with people, or make sales. But this tutorial is specifically to show you how to host a WhatsApp training if you want to make more sales on WhatsApp. So the very first thing you want to do if you want to host a WhatsApp training for the sake of making sales is for you to do a product research on the product you want to promote. You want to do a product research on the product you want to promote. Have you identified what you want to sell? Have you identified the product you choose to sell? So now is the time for you to make a proper research on that product. Go through the products, study the products, go through if it's a training course, go through it and study every part of it to understand it in depth. Because in the process of your training, your students will always ask you questions. They will always want to know more about these products and they will always want to test how well you know your product. So that is why it is important that you do your research on any product you want to promote and you study your product to know it very well. So the very first step is for you to make a proper research on that product you choose to promote. If it's a product on affiliate marketing, if it's a product on Amazon KDP, email marketing, whatever it is, just ensure that you know your product in depth. Okay. So once you've done your product research and once you already have a product, so the next thing you want to do is you want to create a flyer for the WhatsApp class. So creating a flyer is not difficult, especially if you're a newbie. In fact, I made a video on how to create flyers. I'll drop the link in the description so that you can check it to see how you can create a flyer for yourself. So if you're creating a flyer, I'll give you some simple rules you must take if you want to get the best out of that flyer. First rule is you want to ensure that the picture you use in that flyer is very quality. Preferably, if you can get a studio picture, that is excellent. That is the best. That is recommended. Ensure that you use a quality picture. The thing is, whatever picture you use, pass a perception to your prospects. If they see that you look hungry in your pictures, they will not patronize you. They will feel you are not the right person to learn from. They will not see you as an expert. So you want to get a very good picture for yourself, and it's better you get a studio picture. Are you with me, guys? The second rule is that you want to ensure that your flyer is very quality. As a beginner, it's always recommended you pay a graphic designer to make your first flyer for you. Are you with me, guys? Pay a graphic designer to make your first flyer for you because you want it to be every touch of quality, every touch of excellence. Whatever flyer you create is what you use for a very long time, is what you use to attract your leads and all. So ensure that it's very quality. If you know you don't really know how to create flyers, if you know you are just beginning to learn how to create flyers, just pay a graphics designer to make a flyer for you. Don't worry, there are still many more flyers you create in future. If you feel you want to practice and perfect your flyer creating skills, there are still many more flyers you create in the future. So just for this first time, give a graphics designer money to create a flyer for you, and in subsequent time you can always create flyers for yourself. Okay, so let me show you guys an example of a quality flyer so that you know what it looks like. You know, I've been in the business for a while, so I know how to create flyer. It won't be a challenge for me. This is it here. So I created this one myself on Canva. Can you see how quality is it? You can see the picture is looking very sharp and every text is well written and it's aligned. Hope you understand what I'm saying now. So in case you feel you want to create that flyer yourself, just check the link in the description on how to make use of Canva to create flyers for yourself. So once you have your flyer, the next thing you want to do is you want to create a copy for your class. So what is a copy? A copy is more like an hard copy, or in a layman term, it's like a caption that you send along with your flyer to your audience or to your prospects. Hope you understand me now. So just create something short that you can send along with your flyer that you can use to run ad for yourself to attract your leads to your DM. So this is what I'm talking about here. You can see this is just very short and simple. If you are stuck with no money or you need an extra means to earn income, congratulations, I have decided to share my secret strategy on how I make 100k to 300k weekly selling other people's products. This class is limited to just 20 people. Can you see? Very short and straight to the point. Then I ask them to click the link to join now. So when you are creating a copy for yourself, you want to ensure that you have a link on it. You want to ensure that there's a call to action there. Call to action is where we said click the link below to join now. That means you are telling your prospects or you are telling your audience what they should do. Some people don't know what they should do when they see your flyer or when they see your ad copy. So you want to tell them what to do. You want to tell them the action to take whenever they see your ad copy. Okay. So just go ahead and create one for yourself over there. Make it unique to you. Make it very attractive to your audience so that they can click on it whenever they see it. Okay. So once you have your copy for your class, the next thing you do now is for you to create a WhatsApp group. I want to believe you all know how to create a WhatsApp group. That should not be an issue. And if you don't know how to do that, just check my channel. There's a video on how to create a WhatsApp group on my channel. So just watch that video to learn how to create a WhatsApp group. So once you've created a WhatsApp group, just go ahead and mute your WhatsApp group to ensure that those that come into your group don't spam it. They don't send unnecessary messages. They don't send random messages to the group. So once you mute your group, then you proceed to create a WhatsApp link for yourself. When I said you should create a WhatsApp link, I don't mean a WhatsApp group link. I mean a link that is attached to your personal number. Are you getting my point now? A link that whereby if people click on it, they'll come to your WhatsApp DM. So it's just very simple. Create a WhatsApp link attached to your WhatsApp number, whereby if they click on that link, probably on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, wherever they see your link, whereby if they click on that link, it will bring them straight to your WhatsApp DM. So once you have that, the next step is now for you to start generating leads to your DM. You want to start generating leads to your DM. As you can see, everything is intertwined. So you are creating a flyer and an ad copy, and you are sending it out on different social media platforms, and in turn, it's bringing leads for you. And those people that are clicking on your link are coming to your WhatsApp DM. So you want to generate leads for your class, you want to generate leads for your products, you want to make use of WhatsApp TVs, you want to make use of micro influencers. I mean, those that are influencers that will not charge you much. You want to make use of your contact list. You can just tell your contact list to help you share your flyer and add copy on their status for a gift, just to encourage them to do that. And you could also run paid advertisements either on Facebook. You can run Facebook ads, you can run Instagram ads, Twitter ads. There are so many ways you can run ads. So, but the bottom line is you want to ensure you generate leads to your WhatsApp DM. So once they come to your WhatsApp DM, then you want to ask them to save your number and also redirect them to your group. So now in your group, over here, I'll be showing you guys an example using a case study so that you know what I'm saying. So once they are in your group, you want to send an introduction message whereby they get to know why they are there. You get to calm them that, okay, oh, see when the class will be holding. This is the date of the class. Prepare yourself for the class and get ready with your notepad, stuff like that. So you want to like prepare them ahead of the class. There's a thing my mentor told me back then. He said anticipation breeds participation. Like when you make people anticipate your class, they'll definitely participate in your class. So you want to build up anticipation. Okay. So let me show you guys a case study. I'll be using this as a case study. This is not my group, guys. This is a group I belong to. So you can see what they did here. This is them building up anticipation before the class. You can see they showed a testimony. He said 275k well spent. That means he made 275k from this business and he was able to buy a product for himself. He was able to buy himself a gift. I don't want to download this image, but are you getting the point I'm making now? So you can just pause this video and read this. This is a class on how to make money from answering surveys. So, and this is also the person building up anticipation. You can see this is like a welcome message telling them the hosts, the speaker, the subject of the class, and the date of the class. So you can just rephrase your own and create something like this. So you can see the date of the class is 29, and from on the 25, the person is already building anticipation. You can see all the messages sending. This was on the 25, then this is on the 26th, on the 28th. The person even held a poll to engage the people on the group. Are you getting the point we are making, guys? Then he said tomorrow is the D-Day. And this is on the 29th, still reminding people that tomorrow is the D-Day. Can you see? Then this is the day of the class itself. You can see. Hope you can see, guys. Then the class starts on this day. Then this person starts sending all the messages that explains what the class is all about, even testimonies of people that have gotten the course in the past and the results they got. Hope you got the point I'm making, guys. So let's go back to our notepad. So once you generate leads, you send them to your WhatsApp DM, and from your WhatsApp DM, you send them the link to the group where they join. And on the group, you send a welcome message, you build up anticipation, you build up participation, you do a brief introduction of yourself, just like I've showed you right now. Then on the day of the training, you can now start sending the message of the training. Just a 1 or 2 days training is okay. Then once you're done with the training, you can now end the class with discounts. Probably after a day or two, if you see some people have not started or they've not paid for your course, you can just give a discount to encourage people to start. You know, people love discounts. So the exciting part is I'm very sure that the product you are selling right now has a WhatsApp script. The product you are selling right now has a WhatsApp script. Like my students that are selling my own products, I usually give them a WhatsApp script that they can use to host a class for themselves. So if you want to host any class regarding any products, just reach out to the course creator and ask them for a WhatsApp script regarding that product that you want to sell. I'm very sure they will give you one. Okay, they'll give you one. So I'm selling the products on Affiliate Marketing, and my students have a WhatsApp script regarding that product. But if you would like to access the product, you can just send me a DM using the link in the description, and you get to access it for just 1,000 naira. Even as a bonus, I'll still give you access to my course on digital marketing, not affiliate marketing, a course on digital marketing where you get to learn several skills on how to run ad on Facebook, ad on TikTok, how to do WhatsApp marketing, and how to do email marketing, and many more things that are related to digital marketing. Just for 1,000 naira, you get access to the script and this course I just mentioned. So I'm sure you got value from this video. I don't want it to be longer than this. Let me even show you guys the way this lady gave her discount over here. You can see. So she said the cost is 10,000 naira, but she's giving it at a discount of 50%. That means people can pay 5,000 naira just for now. See, this is how you make sales. Always end a class with a discount. That way you get to make more sales, because people love discounts, people love AWOF. Alright, we come to the end of this training. I'm sure you got value. If you did, ensure to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.